Hi, everyone. Welcome to Financial Insights. I'm Linda, your accounting coach. Today, I want to talk about a hot topic, the number one concern for small businesses, and that is the lack of capital and cash. So, as we know, capital can be used for a variety of reasons. You can use those funds to hire new staff member, pay down debt, or purchase equipment, or pay utilities, pay your rent. However, many small business owners do not realize that in order to access capital, you need to have your books in order. You need to have your financial system. You need to have a financial system, a financial infrastructure in place. And many believe the first step to accessing capital is going to fill out an application for a loan or even a grant. However, the first step to accessing capital is ensuring that you have financial data. That financial data is accurate and up to date. You need to be prepared for every opportunity. So here are four things to do to ensure that will be ready to access capital. Number one, you need to know your numbers. You need to know how much revenue is coming in current and past year, expenses current and past year. You need to know your gross profit, gross margin. So very important because lenders are going to ask for that information. Even for grants, they are going to want to know what is your revenue, what is your expenses, what's your gross profit. And particularly, you want to make sure you'll be able to produce those numbers for the probably the last 2 to 3 years. Number two, you want to know your cash position. You should be able to produce a cash flow forecast. So if you receive that capital or that grant, you should be able to produce a cash flow to show lenders or investors or grant or funders how it's going to affect your cash position. Number three, know your customers. Lenders will ask, okay, where do you get your customers? Who are your customers? So you want to be able to explain that. Number four, you want to ensure you file your taxes. Your taxes are up to date. I mean, many business owners that cannot produce current or even past tax returns. I think this is probably maybe a number one reason why many small business owners cannot access capital or even a grant because their taxes are not up to date. So, in order to have this information, you need to have your financial records in order. That's the record keeping, the bookkeeping, and the taxes. You have to be able to produce a profit and loss statement, balance sheet for the past and current year, and then also a cash flow forecast. And lastly, ensure your taxes are up to date, that you can actually provide a lender or an investor the last 2 years of tax returns for the most part. This is so important. So once again, the first step is not applying for the application, is to ensure that you'll be able to produce this information. You Because lenders, investors, they want to know about your business. They want to know, okay, is this company, are they making money? Many small business owners, do not access capital because they believe they have to make millions and millions of dollars. That's not the case. Lenders want to see that you have a continual cash flow, whatever that number may be. Also, they want to see reports. They want to see financial statements. They just can't go off, okay, what you tell them or what you think. You need to show that proof. So, very important that you are ready for every opportunity. So, if you are struggling with maintaining your books, getting them in order, struggling with producing financial statements, contact us for a free consultation so we can see how we can help you. So, if you're ready, once again, to be grant ready, investor ready, loan ready, make sure you take those four steps and implement those this week. Make sure you comment, like, and share, and we'll see you next time.